Have you ever found yourself in a tight spot, needing quick cash, but not wanting to go through the hassle of traditional loans? You're not alone. Many people face this predicament, and there's a growing number of apps that offer a solution: quick, accessible loans. But with so many options out there, how do you know which one is right for you? Today, we're diving into the world of money lending apps and exploring one specific app that's gaining popularity: beforpay. We'll take a deep dive into how beforpay works, its benefits, and some things to consider before applying. What is beforpay? beforpay is a mobile app that allows you to borrow money quickly and easily. It's designed to be a convenient alternative to traditional loans, offering a hassle-free application process and fast disbursement of funds. But how does it actually work? How does beforpay work? The process of borrowing money through beforpay is relatively straightforward. Download the app. The first step is to download the beforpay app from your smartphone's app store. Create an account. Once downloaded, you'll need to create an account by providing some basic personal information. Apply for a loan. After creating an account, you can apply for a loan by specifying the amount you need. Approval and disbursement. If your application is approved, the funds will be disbursed directly to your bank account. Benefits of using beforpay. beforpay offers several benefits that make it an attractive option for those in need of quick cash. Speed and convenience. One of the biggest advantages of beforpay is its speed and convenience. The application process is quick and easy, and funds can be disbursed within a short period. No collateral required. Unlike traditional loans, beforpay doesn't require any collateral. This means you don't have to risk your personal belongings to secure a loan. Flexible repayment options. beforpay offers flexible repayment options to suit your budget. You can choose a repayment term that works best for you. Easy access. The beforpay app is available 24/7, making it easy to apply for a loan whenever you need it. Things to consider before applying. While beforpay offers many benefits, it's important to consider a few things before applying for a loan. Interest rates. beforpay charges interest on the loans it provides. It's important to understand the interest rate and fees associated with the loan before applying. Eligibility criteria. To be eligible for a beforpay loan, you'll need to meet certain criteria, such as having a stable income and a good credit history. Overdue payments. If you fail to make your loan repayments on time, you may face penalties or fees. beforpay can be a convenient and hassle-free way to borrow money quickly. However, it's important to weigh the benefits and drawbacks before making a decision. By understanding how beforpay works and considering the factors mentioned above, you can determine if it's the right choice for your financial needs. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.